Hey guys, welcome back to Talk Boom. I'm your host, Cerebro, and today, guess what we're going to do? We are going to change your channel name. Now, because you need it changed, but I want to show you how to do that. That's part of the whole step-by-step process, because sometimes we choose names, we don't like the name, and then we want to go back and change the name. So I'm just going to show you how to change that name. So the first thing we're going to have to do is you're going to have to log in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to youtube.com. Now, YouTube has changed. What I'm showing you is the 2020 version of the YouTube interface and how to change that. So first thing you're going to do is you want to go to youtube.com, and then of course you should be logged into Google. But once you log in here, you click on sign in, and then it's going to ask me this question. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And then once I'm in here, what I want to do is I want to change my channel name. So I'm going to go ahead and go into, click on the little image right here of myself in the right hand corner there. Of course, you're not going to look like me. And then once we click on that, it takes me into this area, which allows me to see my customization area and allows me to click on the YouTube Studio. On the left hand side at the bottom, if you scroll down here, you'll see something that says settings with a little gear next to it on the left hand side. If you click on that settings section, it'll take you to a page that at the very top here you see it says account, and right here in the middle it says edit on Google. So once I click on that, there's my channel name right there. So I can change my channel name right there. And once I change the channel name, it's done for good. It's all over the place, so it's changed. Okay? Now, there is another way to get there. So let's just say I'm just going to go back to youtube.com. Right? So there we are. I'm at youtube.com. Now, if you go to the top of the URL and you put a / there and you type in the word account, and you press enter, guess what, guys? You're right back there. So again, right in the middle here, it says edit on Google, and this is where you change your account name. Just click on that right there, and you can change your account name right there. So see, pretty straightforward. So that's step by step how to change your channel name. Thanks for listening. It's a very short video, but that's okay. Just want to make sure you understand how to do this so you don't get confused or go crazy because you want to change your name. Alright, thanks for listening. Do me a favor and hit that comment section down there at the bottom for me, and subscribe to my channel. That will help me out a lot. Thank you for checking out Talk Boom. And again, my name is Cerebro, and I am your host. Have a good one, guys.